let's do a little unboxing here. Just got this package from FedEx. So let me get off here right this second and open it, and then I'll see what's in it. Well, I'll get to the cardboard, and then we'll see what's in it, okay? Yay, it's my light. Okay, let's see. You have to excuse me. I've got a phone case on my phone, and it's being a pain in the butt. You know how that goes. But I'm going to try to get this open without tearing everything up. Excuse me. It's well packed. Tell you that. And I just knocked something down. I don't know what it is. Let's see. We got all these little odds and ends in here. And I will be right back after I get it out of the package. Excuse my table. It don't look good. But this is the tripod, which I will get it all put together in a little while. And this is the ring light and all that goes with it. Hopefully I'll be able to get it together sometime today and be using it. Okay. I hope y'all have a good day. And I'll see you soon.